Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Nam Gyu from Squid Game 2 and 3 in Dress to Impress. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and choose no bangs and make it black, and then this necklace from the VIP room. But if you don't have VIP, you can skip this necklace, and then you're going to put on this pant. You're going to change the toggle, and then you're going to make it this color. Okay, this is for the color code, and then you're going to make it light silk. And for the second selection, you're going to make it white. For the first selection, make it green, and then make it white for the second selection. Okay, and then you're going to go to this summer update area and put on this shirt. You're going to select pose 28, and then you're going to make it red. And then you're going to put on this shoes. You're going to make it white for all the selection. Okay, make it white like this. And then the next one, you're going to go to the dressing room. Put on this knife first, and then you're going to apply this pattern to create a body effect and make it high, and go to the dressing room, and then you're going to put on the coat item, this jacket. You're going to make it the same green color, and for the second selection, make it white, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.